What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? Welcome to the Hack Buster channel, guys. This is the show where we find random life hacks from the internet and we see how realistic and reliable they are. Today we're gonna try making some mobile gaming controllers. So let's get started. Wow, guys, I really hope this one actually works because to be honest, I suck at PUBG and Fortnite. So if this one works, that's gonna be super amazing. I'm gonna be jumping and moving and shooting at the same time. I'm gonna be dominating. This hack actually does look really promising that it should work. The only concern I have is if the super glue is going to make the wooden super stuck. So when you're trying to press it in, the little bit if the wood bends, that should actually might break it or might not. I'm not really sure, but I really hope this does work. If it works, me, you, all of us gonna dominate this game. So with the fingers stay crossed, let's get started. Alright, so first we're gonna get some aluminum right here. In the video, it instructs it to be planed out. As you can see, mine is already straightened out. It's new. Oh, great! I literally put popsicle sticks all over my floor. So I don't have an exact ruler, but I think the whole point is to have the same sizes. Alright guys, so I just got done cutting all the pieces. I needed the same size of 4 of those, 2 of these and 2 of these. So it took forever. My hand literally hurts right now. I did not cut myself, but I did end up pinching myself, and those popsicle sticks are really hard. So right now, all we have to do is just glue them all together. Alright, so I went ahead and I cut all of them and I glued them together, as you can see from the original video. So right now the next part is to take some padding tape and put it in those. So that is what we're gonna be doing. Alright guys, so I just got done making these pieces and I put the padding tapes in between. So the next part is to take this homemade aluminum tape that we made and attach it into this thing right here. So that is what we're going to be doing. So as you can see, I made these pieces right here. I put the aluminum tapes all around and inside, just as the video shows. So right now I'm going to cut down this debit card right here exactly as the show and proceed with the process. Alright guys, so I cut down these two pieces of the credit card. So as you can see right here, gone. The next step is to bend it and then apply it. So that is what I'm going to do. Alright guys, after this long time making, this is finally, as you can see, completely done. This looks exactly as they showed in their video. This actually, you know what guys, before I try it out, this might work because if you see my phone life hack video where I wrap around aluminum to the pencil, and that does not as accurate but does work as a touchscreen. So this is also aluminum foil right here, and when this thing I press right here, it touches that aluminum, it passes through down to right here, so it should work. Only concern I had, if this part will bend, but the only way to find out, so let's see if it actually works or not. So to give it a little bit more flexibility, I'm going to take off my case, so it's just the phone itself. My phone is not really that fat. I have the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, so let's see if it works. Alright guys, so this is what happens. If you saw my live stream, you saw that I said this hack was busted. Reason being, this one right here in the live, when I was trying to put it on, that blue part actually did come off and it did break. I'm going to actually call that being my mistake. Maybe I did not make that properly. But as you can see in this one right here, it did fit. I took it on and off. It's really sturdy. So I'm going to say that part did not work because maybe I made some mistake while making it, because it is really difficult to make it. But since this one worked, I'm going to say the putting on part does work. Now let's see if actually the gaming part it works and how fast it works. Alright, so as you can see, I moved the shooting button right here and I have already made it larger than normal. So this should work even better. Not working, it's not shooting. I have to press it and hold it really hard, and it takes a lot of time for it to transfer all that into the screen. So by the time, I'm pretty sure I'm going to die. So let's try it this time without actually using this. So as you can see, this is a lot faster. With this thing, it does not transmit very well. It takes a lot of energy, and by the time I press on it, my screen is moving everywhere. I would not try this on myself. I'm going to die right away. Alright, so as you guys just saw, the fitting part, I did take the blame on myself. But while trying it, all the connection, as you can see, I have aluminum right here. I have aluminum going through and touching that part right there. When I press it, it does work, and it did work when I was playing it as well, but it is not fast. In a game like PUBG or Fortnite, you have to be really fast. It's all about the speed and accuracy. This one takes a lot of energy to press it down. That shakes your phone. Also, you have to literally hold it for it to do one shooting. If you want to keep shooting an enemy, you cannot do that because it is not as good quality. It makes one shoot, then it goes away. Sometimes it doesn't even shoot one either. And as you know from the intro, in this channel, we see how realistic and reliable it is. This thing is not that reliable. Even though I suck at those games, I would not lose my chances even more. So I'm gonna say this hack is busted. Let's see our next genius hack. Wow, this one takes so much less time. I wish I would actually start with that one rather than the other one. If you saw my live stream, that one took me almost 2 hours to make. Maybe I'm a little slow, but that's okay. So this one is pretty much the same exact concept again, using aluminum foil. It's all about conductivity. The other one was only aluminum foils. This one, the conductivity is going from the metal of the clip to the aluminum, and you don't have to press as hard. You just barely touch the metal and that should work. So this is the pros for this one. You don't have to press really hard. But the con is it's the same concept, so I'm not really sure how fast and accurate it will be. Also, personally, I would not like to have a binder clip being clipped on my phone screen for a long time, because that can actually damage my LCD. But in this channel, we see how realistic and reliable it is and if it actually works or not. So let's try it out. Alright, so the concept with this one is very simple. I have my binder clips right here, my black tape, my super glue, and the scissors. So let's get to work. Oh, great. Have you guys actually worked with super glue before? They do not get out. Ow! My fingers are stuck, guys. Ow! Ow! Guys, they are stuck. Ow! Oh my god. I think my skin from one finger came onto my other one. My finger is rock hard right now. That was painful. Alright, so these were actually a lot better, quick, simple, fast. Not sure how safe. So right now I'm just going to let them dry and I'm going to do the real life PUBG gaming comparison again. Wow, you guys saw it for yourself. I don't think I actually have to say anything anymore. The first one, even though I had to press on it really hard, it pressed on the volume button, but I flipped it, that worked, and after a while it did work. That one I said was busted. This one was actually horrible. You saw it for yourself. Even without touching it or doing anything at all, it was controlling itself. It was continuously shooting. The scope, I could not control it. No matter how many times I press it, it does not respond to anything at all. Also in the camera, you could not actually see it, but there was actually pixelated area around my screen. For example, you know when you press on a screen really hard and you see those colorful pixelated areas? That's what I was getting. So I would highly suggest not to use that on your cell phone. But you wouldn't have to do it anyway, because as you saw, it is completely worse than the first one. Busted. Guys, I really hope both of the hacks today work, or actually at least one of them. But sadly, none of the hacks today worked, but we have more mobile gaming controllers videos to come. So for the next video, I'm going to try two more methods. One doing a DIY and another one is actually an app. So if you like this video, make sure to watch the next one, and to see all the other life hacks that I have busted, make sure to check out my playlist where you can binge watch all of my videos. To those of you who joined my live stream, thank you so much, guys. I had an awesome blast hanging out with all of you guys. If you missed my first live stream and want to join in new ones, or if you're new to the channel and actually want to hang out with Talk to Me, keep a lookout in the YouTube post where I'll be posting what time I'll be doing the live streams again, so we can all hang out together. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Hack Buster family. If you're one of my loyal subscribers and who came to watch this video, thank you so much, fam. You guys are awesome. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe and press the bell notification so you know exactly when I post a video, and you can be my notification squad because I love that. Also, most importantly, make sure to share this video with your friends and family so they also know which life hack is real and which one is busted. Or you can share any other videos that you think they will like. To see my last video, click right here. To see my playlist, click right here. And definitely, most importantly, click on my face right here to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.